Right, hello everybody. Today is another great day. It's a good day actually. We're going to unbox the HiBy FC3 FC3 duck. Here it is. It just arrived by Amazon, and yeah, we see it's a small package, very cute, very nice. I'll take a small actually I found just a bottle opener, nice and easy. It's got this on the side, so let's see. Unboxing. This is it. Let's see this beauty for you, my lovely audience. Don't smell yet. Oh, it's a plastic with a cartoon. Let's see. Maybe. Oh yes. On this side. Oh, cute. Look how small this is. Can't believe that. You have a kind of paperwork. Let's see. Actually, oh yeah, that's it. The ESS Pro DAC. I will use an iPhone cable because inside it comes with a cable, but unfortunately it's not the iPhone. Yeah, it's a USB-C to USB Type A, and then also is another USB-C to USB-C short cable, but because I record with the iPhone 12 Pro Max, I need the iPhone. I will buy a short one, but luckily on the package of the new iPhone 12 Pro Max I got the actual Lightning to USB-C. It's a bit long, but I will use it just like that, probably not open it, just for the purpose of trying the DAC now, and then like I said later I'll buy another one, but it should be sufficient. We have a volume button on the sides, very cute. This is the LED that it changes color according to the resolution of the music you play. If it's MQA, DSD I think is purple, then it goes down to blue, to green, to light green, and green, and to the red when it's ugly. Right, talk among yourselves.